Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. Few days back we made a video on installing OnePlus 9 live wallpapers on any Android device. But those wallpapers were in the format of MP4. But today in this video we have stock live wallpapers from OnePlus 9 series, and here we will show you how to install those live wallpapers on any OnePlus device. You can find the download links in the description below, where you will get to see two applications. One is OnePlus 9 Wallpaper Resource APK and the second one is OnePlus Wallpaper APK. Just manually download them and install it on your device. These are simple APK files. Download them, give all the necessary permissions and tap on install. And guys, one thing you need to keep in mind, installing these applications might replace the older live wallpapers available on your device. But in the later part of video, I'll show you how can you uninstall these applications if you have installed, and later if you want the previous wallpapers of your particular device. So once you install them, you can find the live wallpapers by long pressing on the home screen, going to wallpaper section, and here you will see all the live wallpapers which you have installed, and these live wallpapers are from OnePlus 9 series. Though installing this application did not replace my previous wallpapers. I still have the stock wallpapers which came on my OnePlus 8, and after that you can also see these live wallpapers from OnePlus 9 series. This way you can install all the live wallpapers of OnePlus 9 series on your any OnePlus device. And you don't even have to worry about the quality of wallpapers, as these wallpapers are stock from OnePlus 9 series without any kind of modifications done. So this way you can install live wallpapers of OnePlus 9 series on your OnePlus device. And on our previous videos we used to get lots of comments asking how to uninstall these live wallpapers and get back the previous wallpapers which were available on their device. So for that, what you can do is you just go to settings, applications, tap on see all apps, and after that you need to tap these three dots and select show system apps. From here you can search both the applications which we recently installed. So these were the two applications which we recently installed. One was OnePlus Wallpaper APK and the second was OnePlus Wallpapers Resource APK. You can just select this application one by one, again tap on these three dots, and you can select uninstall updates. And the same process can be repeated for OnePlus Wallpaper Resource APK. Select the application, tap on uninstall updates, and there we go. And now if you go to the wallpaper section, here you can see all the OnePlus 9 wallpapers have been removed. So guys, this way you can get OnePlus 9 series wallpapers on your OnePlus devices. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.